Water. Without it, life on Earth would not exist. Our bodies are 70% made of it, and our planet is 80% covered with it. Yet 97% of the Earth's water supply is salty, and only 0.3% of all our water can be harnessed for human consumption. Despite this, we have an unquenchable thirst for it, consuming every day in the United States alone 340 billion gallons of it. And while our water supply has remained constant since the time of the dinosaurs, our growing need for it hasn't. In the past 10 years alone, the Earth's population has increased by more than 1 billion, and it continues to increase at a rate of 90 million per year. From oceans, lakes, and rivers, to vaporization and back to rain, nature has been recycling, purifying, and filtering water for eons. But modern civilization has taken a toll on what was once an endless and indestructible element, polluting what we so vitally depend on with more contaminants than ever and faster than nature can clean it, making it now our most valuable and fragile resource. But the problems with what we drink, wash, and bathe in are not all the result of man's work. Nature plays a role in the condition of the water that reaches your tap and pours out of your faucet. In fact, as part of our planet's filtering process, water passes through various porous rocks, absorbing calcium and magnesium along the way to create hard water. From iron-bearing rocks, it collects iron, which causes rust, leaving reddish stains on sinks, clothing, and linens, and through hard rocks like marble or granite, it turns water acidic, eating away at your pipes and chrome plumbing fixtures. Hard water is not only hard on your home, it's hard on you. Although we are all too familiar with bath rings and scum on shower walls, many are unaware of the fact that the same hard water residue is left clinging to your body and hair. And while nature's contaminants impact your water, every time rain falls, pesticides and fungicides are washed into our streams, rivers, and lakes, while thousands of man-made chemicals seep into our underground aquifers. Every year, in fact, nearly 14 billion pounds of sewage, sludge, and toxins are dumped into the world's oceans, clogging our lakes and rivers, while sulfur and nitrogen oxides penetrate the skies, bringing acid rain. Municipalities around the country do a good job of killing much of the dangerous bacteriological threats, but they do so by using another toxic chemical like chlorine, which is a known carcinogen that you breathe in gaseous form every time you take a shower. It's easy then to understand why 75% of Americans don't believe their household water supply is as safe as it could be, and 47% say they won't drink unfiltered water straight from the tap. What about you? Although eliminating all the problems of nature and man on a grand scale is not practical reality yet, doing so where you live is. EcoWater has dedicated the better part of the 20th century refining the technology to ensure that at least in the comfort of your own home, you may enjoy pristine, soft, and clean water. By using EcoWater conditioners, refiners, and drinking water systems, you not only create a cleaner, healthier home environment for your whole family, you also help the environment by using less products and polluting chemicals. Conditioned water not only means less household cleaning and scrubbing compounds down the drain, it also means less shampoo, conditioner, and rinses on your head, leaving you with shinier and easier to manage hair and softer skin. Conditioned water changes everything in your home, from the feel of your body to what you wear on it, giving you whiter and brighter laundry and clothing that lasts longer. Sinks and tubs and toilet bowls stay cleaner longer with less chemical use, because less film buildup means less slime and grime. The benefits of treated water don't stop at the bathroom or laundry room. They extend to your kitchen and everything you eat on, all but eliminating spotting on flatware, china, and glassware. A home with conditioned water means fewer plumbing repairs or replacements of faucets and appliances, directly contributing to less energy consumption thanks to reduced scale buildup in water heaters and any water-using appliances which can run more efficiently. Access to a fresh water supply is not a luxury. It is our fundamental need, the lifeblood of our existence. And for over 80 years, EcoWater has dedicated itself to making the water in your home the best to use and drink in the world. Today, we manufacture more than 1 of every 3 automatic residential water softeners in the U.S., offering the most advanced, innovative, and reliable technology on the market. Unlike many water treatment brands, EcoWater makes everything it sells, designing, engineering, and manufacturing 95% of all products and components in our own facilities in the United States. EcoWater's state-of-the-art plants are highly computerized, ensuring the highest level of product quality. EcoWater is backed by more research and product development resources than any other company in the residential water treatment industry. This is possible because EcoWater is part of Berkshire Hathaway's Marmon Group, a multi-billion-dollar business whose commitment to residential, commercial, and industrial water treatment is among the largest in the world. With almost 600 dealers around the globe, EcoWater understands your water problems and provides you with custom solutions you'll feel good about, ensuring in the process the best service and support in the business. Why choose EcoWater over any other brand? It's simple. The science. With a legacy exceeding 80 years and built on best-in-class technological innovation, EcoWater sets the standards for the industry as a whole. From the first patent filed in 1925 by Lynn Lindsay for the invention of the water softening process, to hundreds of patents worldwide, EcoWater continues to revolutionize the sector it created and set the bar for all to beat, applying unequaled scientific knowledge and engineering expertise to everything it designs and builds, backed by protection packages and extended warranties that are second to none. EcoWater is the only company in the water treatment business to have earned and maintained the Good Housekeeping Seal of Approval for 37 years in a row. Additionally, all residential products are third-party certified for performance and safety. With today's heightened awareness of global warming, everyone is beating the environmental drum. Eco was part of our name long before it was fashionable to be green, and we live up to it with our sights set on a better future. Our ecosystem initiative, One World, One Planet, has a singular mandate to take the industry lead in meeting the highest standards for creating environmentally sustainable products and processes. Americans spend in excess of $15 billion on bottled water annually, pitching 38 billion water bottles a year into landfills. Since most bottles are never recycled, this represents a looming environmental threat. This is compounded by the fact that greenhouse-polluting petroleum is used to manufacture, process, label, package, transport, ship, and distribute every single bottle of water from the Swiss Alps to the Fiji Islands. The environmental green mystique of bottled water is just that, a myth. The scientific and environmental community has definitively concluded that bottled water is not good for the environment. EcoWater's alternative is a sound, ecological solution. Already the science of choice of the biggest water bottlers in the world, our reverse osmosis system provides bottled water quality in your home for a fraction of the cost and with significantly less impact on the environment. EcoWater's state-of-the-art energy-efficient systems use less than $2 per year. An EcoWater system pays for itself, dramatically reducing your consumption of detergents, solvents, and household chemicals, as well as energy usage. Water-using appliances will last longer and require less maintenance when used with treated water. The dramatic reduction of staining and hard water buildup on plumbing fixtures, showers, and tubs means overall less wear and tear. EcoWater drinking systems eliminate the need to buy, store, and recycle bottled water. All these factors help the system pay for itself. Clean, pure, unadulterated water, the way nature intended it, right in your home, the way you expect it, the way you want it for your family. To learn more about the differences a whole home system can make in your home or business, please explore online or call us to locate an EcoWater dealer near you. Make the ecological choice. EcoWater Systems, the science behind better water.